How to download videos from Snapchat. It's pretty simple, so let's jump right in. First, open Snapchat on your mobile device. Once you open Snapchat, you can see a spotlight icon at the bottom right of your screen. Tap on it. You can swipe up for more videos. Once you have found the video that you want to download, simply tap on the three horizontal dots at the bottom right of your screen. Select Export or Send Snap. Under the Share to heading, you can find various icons. Swipe those icons to your left. Once you have swiped all the way to your left, you can find a download icon. Go ahead and click on it. Once you see a Your Snap was exported notification at the top of your screen, it means that you have successfully exported the video into your gallery. And that's it. This is how you download videos from Snapchat. How to add background music on Snapchat. It's pretty simple, so let's jump right in. Before recording your video, tap on the music icon at the right side of your screen. Tap on the search bar at the top of your screen. Type in the name of the artist or the music that you want to use in your video. Once you have found the music of your choice, tap on it once in order to select it. Now you can record your video with a background music. Another way of adding background music to your video is simply tapping on the music icon to your right side after recording your video first. You can now easily type the name of your artist and select the music of your choice. And that's it. These are the two simple ways of adding background music on Snapchat video. How to add friends on Snapchat. It's pretty simple, so let's jump right in. First, tap on the add icon at the top right of your screen. Tap on the search bar at the top of your screen. Type in the username of the person that you want to add on Snapchat. Once you have found the user, tap on Add. Once they add you back, you can successfully be friends with them on Snapchat. And that's it. This is how you add friends on Snapchat. How to add location on Snapchat story. It's pretty simple, so let's jump right in. First, go ahead and take a photo or a video for your story. Now go ahead and swipe all the way to your left until you see a location icon. Now you can see your location at the bottom of your photo. To change the location, go ahead and tap on it. Now you can see a search bar. Tap on it and type in the location of your choice. Tap on the location once to select it. Another way of adding location in your Snapchat story is tapping on the sticker icon to your right. Now you can see a location option. Go ahead and select it. You can now follow the same steps as before to select your location. Now you can add this to your story by tapping on the story icon at the bottom of your screen. And that's it. This is how you add location on Snapchat story. How to add Snapchat link on Facebook. It's pretty simple, so let's jump right in. First, tap on your profile icon at the top left of your screen. Now you can see your username. Go ahead and remember it. Now you can exit Snapchat and open Facebook on your mobile device. Tap on your profile at the top left of your screen. Select Edit Profile. Scroll down a bit. Go ahead and tap on links. Tap on Add social links. Tap on platform. Select Snapchat. Now go ahead and type in your Snapchat username that you remembered earlier. Once you have typed in your username, tap on Done. Tap on Save at the top right of your screen. Tap on the arrow at the top left of your screen. To check whether you have successfully added your Snapchat link or not, go ahead and refresh this page. Tap on Details. Now you have successfully added Snapchat link on Facebook. How to block someone on Snapchat? It's pretty simple, so let's jump right in. First, tap on the search icon at the top left of your screen. Type in the name of the user that you want to block. Once you have found their profile, go ahead and tap on it. Tap on the three horizontal dots at the top right of your screen. Select Manage Friendship. You can now go ahead and tap on Block. If you are sure about blocking the user, go ahead and tap on Block once again. And that's it. This is how you block someone on Snapchat. How to change chat wallpaper on Snapchat. It's pretty simple, so let's jump right in. First, go ahead and tap on the chat icon at the bottom left of your screen. Now go ahead and tap on the chat on where you want to change your wallpaper. You can now tap on the profile of the user at the top left of your screen. Scroll down a bit. Under the Our Chat heading, you can see Wallpaper. Go ahead and select it. Now you can choose the wallpaper of your choice. If you want to unlock the wallpaper with the lock icon, you have to pay for the subscription. Once you have chosen the wallpaper of your choice, tap on Confirm at the bottom right of your screen. Tap on the arrow at the top left of your screen. Now you have successfully changed your wallpaper. And that's it. This is how you change chat wallpapers on Snapchat. How to change streak emojis on Snapchat. It's pretty simple, so let's jump right in. First, tap on your profile icon at the top left of your screen. Tap on the settings icon at the top right of your screen. Scroll down a bit. Under the Privacy Control heading, you can find Customize Emojis. Go ahead and tap on it. Now you can go ahead and scroll down a bit. Select Snap Streak. Now you can select the emoji of your choice. To select the emoji of your choice, you can simply tap on it. Once you're done, tap on the arrow at the top left of your screen. And that's it. This is how you change your streak emojis on Snapchat. How to delete your Snapchat account. It's pretty simple, so let's jump right in. First, open Snapchat on your mobile device. Tap on the profile icon at the top left of your screen. Now click on the settings icon at the top right of your screen. Scroll down a bit and go to Support. Select I need help. Tap on the search bar and type in Delete my account. Tap on Search. Select How do I deactivate or delete my Snapchat account? Click on Select Account Portal. This will guide you to a new page. Go ahead and log in to your Snapchat. Once you have logged in, tap on Delete My Account. Enter your Snapchat password and tap on Continue. Doing this will deactivate your Snapchat account. Make sure you are not logged in into your Snapchat account for 30 days in order to permanently delete your account. And that's it. This is how you delete your Snapchat account.